ordering, if you want to go and buy it yourself, she is putting up a stall this weekend at Kakula Mall. It's a Navrang exhibition. So make sure you guys go there, visit her and buy her treats.
Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I know you are not at all looking at me, but you are looking at all this spread that is there in front of me. So all this is sent to me by Tanvi Pai and her brand called Tanvi's Kitchen. So she has sent me a lot of her items and my eyes got stuck when I saw this. And she didn't tell me that she's about to send it, and she wrote surprise outside the box. And that's the first thing I opened, and I screamed out so loudly because I love personalized things. So feel free to send. Okay, so let's start. Let me show you all what she has brought and let's get to tasting because I haven't tasted it as yet and I can't wait. So she has given me a list of things that she has sent me, and I will list all the prices over here so that you guys can see it. So first up I have Serradura jar. This is the strawberry one and this is the creamy one. So let's try both of them. Let's try the creamy one first. There's a cherry on top. I have a spoon. Let's try it out. Ooh, looks fluffy. So this has a very nice frothy layer of whipped cream on top, and below it there is the biscuit powder. I really love it. It's really nice. And the price is super reasonable for such quantity and taste. Okay, now let's try the strawberry. I'm going to take literally one bite of each because I have so much things to try. Wow, this is strawberry. I'm going to try the cream first. Wow, I really like this. This is strawberry Serradura. I don't think I've ever tried strawberry Serradura, and I'm really loving this. And once again I would want to say that the price is super reasonable. I've mentioned it over here so that you can see. Like thumbs up for the Serradura. Wow. Alright, so the next thing that I want to show y'all is the cupcakes. Now she has sent me cupcakes and muffins. So first let's try the cupcakes. So in cupcakes I have truffle, dark truffle, red velvet, cheesecake and Nutella. So let's try Nutella first. I'm going to just bite into it because you guys know I don't like using spoons on my cupcakes. A rich dark chocolate cake with a lovely spread of Nutella on top. The cake is soft and well baked. Moving on, the red velvet cheesecake. Okay, nice try. I like it. With a spoon, I'll just try the cream on its own. I'm getting the red velvet taste in this, the creamy cream cheese taste. It's good, but I like the Nutella one much better. This is also very nice, but I would prefer the Nutella on this. Alright, so next up I have truffle and dark truffle. Now I'm not very sure which one is the truffle and which one is the dark truffle. So I'm just going to go for it and then let you guys know. But of course this is the dark truffle. The cake is dark truffle. So I'm assuming that the decoration is the same. So this is the dark truffle, but let's give it a go. There are chocolate chips inside it. I really like the cream. It's really good. And the cake is also well baked, soft, very nice. Also, I wanted to mention the boxes that she has used. I absolutely love it. I don't only appreciate the products but also the things that they are sent in. Just look at the box. It's of a great quality, and inside there is a cupcake holder so that your cupcakes do not hit the sides, or if you are traveling they stay intact. So that's a very good thing. Also the muffins, she has put them in this box, and I really love this box because there is a different section for each cupcake, and the cupcake sits really well inside and you can hold it. Close it and you can then hold it here. So wow. Alright, so let's try this one now. Same. There are chocolate chips, great taste, well baked, perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to jump at this colorful looking muffins. So the first muffin that I have, let me just tell you what kind of muffins are there. There is chocolate, choco vanilla, vanilla, blueberry, pineapple and strawberry. Wow, I'm going to jump for the pineapple. Though I don't like the fruit that much, but this looks quite inviting. Alright, so this is the pineapple cake and it smells also like it. I think there's a gems chocolate on top and look at how nicely it has baked. Nicely puffed up. So I'm just going to get in. I'm getting the pineapple taste. Wow. As I said, I'm not a big fan of pineapple, but I'm really loving the taste. So now I'm going to try the strawberry cake. Tanvi, I would like to give you a big thumbs up because I absolutely love how your cake has, rised, and I'm really loving it. It's baked very nicely. It's soft, spongy. I'm in love with the cake. Like, your muffin is of great quality and I really appreciate the fact that you have kept your prices so low. Wow. Next, now I'm going to jump on the third colorful cake, and that is blueberry, and she has put up nice hearts on top. Okay, first I'm going to click a picture. I don't know, have you ever eaten a blueberry chewing gum or a blueberry candy? Because it tastes like that. The taste is velvety, soft, and I didn't know blueberry muffins could taste so good. I think she has mixed blueberry jam in the batter. I'm going to have one more bite. The top layer is very soft and very nice. I really love it. Okay, wow. Here you go. So guys, whenever I'm filming such type of videos, my sisters who are behind the camera, they will like, don't tempt us, give it to here already. So I'm just giving it right now because you guys are family too, and I'm pretty sure you guys also want to taste some of this. So do order. All her links will be in the description below, also the contact number and the prices. So first I'm going to try the vanilla one. It has chocolate chips on top. Her muffins have a very soft layer on top. I don't know what it is, but it's really very good. And just look at the sponge. It's so nicely baked up. That spongy texture. I really love it. Alright, so guys, I have two muffins left. One is chocolate and one is choco vanilla. Now I don't know which one is which, because although this one has chocolate chips, I've never seen such chocolate chips which have vanilla swirls on them. Let's try this first. Let's try this and see. Okay, number one, the baking is 100%, like full marks for the baking, full marks for the texture, full marks for the very spongy, velvety. The upper layer, I don't know, it's like brownies kind of, like the upper layer is very soft and I don't know how to explain it. It's really good, and the rates are like poof, mind blowing. Like wow, I really would appreciate if you guys ordered these cupcakes because they are really very good. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to try here is this. It's Kit Kat mousse. I have hard chocolates and these are moldy chocolates. Okay. Oh, moldy chocolates from the molds. Okay, different kinds of. This is a rose, this is a flower, and this is just a pattern. The first chocolate that I want to try is the Kit Kat mousse because I love Kit Kat, and this also looks like one. It has chocolate chips inside. Dark chocolate. I'm a big fan of dark chocolate. I love it. Very good quality chocolate. Next up I have hard chocolates. I'm going to move this to the side. So this is the hard chocolate. Okay. This one is also dark chocolate, same like the Kit Kat one. I think this is a very good idea if you want to gift someone chocolates, your loved ones, your friends, family, everyone. So these are the moldy chocolates. I'm going to try the rose one. I'm pretty sure this one is also a dark chocolate and it has something in the center. Let's try that. What is that? It's a dark chocolate. I'm not getting what it is. It's like a crispy wafer ball in the center, but it's really nice. The last thing that I have is this dark truffle cake, and she gave it to me in a surprise box, and I was really very surprised when I saw this, because as I mentioned earlier, I am a sucker for personalized things. Even the mask that I have, I'm just wearing it all the time. Even today when I went out, I had worn that mask. I am in love with that mask. Also, just look at this, guys. Like, wow, it has the YouTube logo and my name on it. I really love it. I do not want to cut this. I just want to keep it this way. Oh, okay. Anyways, let's cut it. Let's try it out. It smells so good. Oh god, I don't want to cut it. I have clicked so many pictures with this cake. Thank you so much, Tanvi. This was a really, pleasant surprise, a lovely surprise. Okay, let's cut it. Right? Oh, it's very soft. Wow, it has 2 layers. Okay, the first slice is obviously for you guys. Thank you for all the support. This tastes exactly like the chocolate truffle cupcake, but only softer. Wow. I must say the cream is whisked superbly well. I don't know if superbly is a word, but superbly well. And she has put little stars around the cake. I love stars, like the shape of the star. Wow. Tanvi, do you want to taste?
Yes.
So Tanvi, do you like Tanvi's cakes?
They are amazing.
So guys, I will put all her links in the description below so that you guys can go and order. Please do order, call her, WhatsApp her, message her on Instagram. I'll put everything, all the links in the description below. The name of her brand is Tanvi's Kitchen. I like it, Tanvi's Kitchen. And her name is Tanvi Pai. So here she has given me her Instagram page, business accounts, contact numbers, everything. I'm going to list them everything in the description. So make sure after you're done watching this video, you go and order something or the other. Alright, so my favorite out of all was, it's hard to say, but I think the Serradura. I hope they'll have kept some for me. They have. The muffins were delicious. This cake is outstanding. And the chocolates, the Kit Kat one, I loved. Basically, I loved everything. But it's up to you guys what you guys want to order. And yes guys, I would like to end my video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If it made you all hungry, please do go and order. And yes, subscribe to my channel for some more videos. Bye. Keep supporting.